I've told you a million times before, and I'll tell you a million times more, recessed lights are the best and cheapest way to transform any living space in your entire house. Today, I'll be filming my very first video on gimbal light installation. These lights are ones that you can maneuver and pivot and focus on certain areas, points of focus, right? Points of interest, like these two bookshelves here. You can see how they're kind of dark now, but we just need to shine some light on the issue and get this fixed. So this video is just about these recessed lights here, but over the next few months, I'm gonna have videos on the entire transformation of this whole living room area here, painting these bookshelves probably white. We're gonna put stone up this fireplace all the way to the ceiling here, and this is a vaulted ceiling, so it's gonna be a lot of stone masonry work. So stay tuned, remember to hit that subscribe button so you can keep track or follow along of all of these projects. It's also a free way for you to show your support for my channel. Let's get into it. So the product we'll be using in this video are these NICKLEDs, or NICKLED. I'm not sure how they pronounce their company name, but they have amazing reviews on Amazon, and they were actually sold out the past few weeks, but they finally came in, and now I've got them. These are going to be 3000 lumens in a warm white color, so it's the same color that my movie room is and all the other light installations I've done previously. Again, these are gimbal, so they have a 30-degree tilt in any direction, and they can also pivot 360 degrees. So you can focus the light basically wherever you want. If I didn't want it to shine in the bookcase, I can make it shine out into the room if I wanted to, although that's kind of silly. One thing to note here already is that these come with these quick connect adapters. Most of the recessed lights I get do come with these. I do have some in my movie room installation, which I'll have a video out on that here in a couple weeks, where it's just a bare wire in these things. And so you manually have to tie in these wire nuts, and it can become kind of strenuous when you're doing all these things way up here in the air. So this is kind of cool. By the way, these are also IC rated lights, which means that they can come into contact with insulation without the risk of a fire hazard. So always look for that when you're shopping around for your lights. This video is all about installing these gimbal lights, testing them out, reviewing them, and so on. If you're interested in learning how to make a hole up here and setting your wiring and placement of LED lights, you could check any of my other videos. I have tons of content around this. I'll have some stuff linked up here somewhere. I'll also have all the links down in the description below, as well as links to the gimbal lights that I'm using in this video. Really, you just need a 4.5-inch hole saw to create this hole. Place down your romex wires and you are all set. But again, catch some of those other videos if you're interested in that. Let's move on to these gimbal lights. And that's really all there is to installing these gimbal recessed lights. It's super easy. If you do want more steps on the process, more detailed steps on the process, check out some more of my recessed light installation videos. I'll have the links down in the description below, as well as links to these specific lights here. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider smashing that subscribe button down below. Again, it's a free way to show your support for my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks.